anybody who's absent, we're doing notes today.
You might want to shift it down.
Yes, thank you. Just so you know, this is my version of an and sign, not a plus sign. It's an and sign. Okay, intercepts is a new word for us in this class. Have any of you heard of the term x-intercept before? Okay. Can you tell me what it means?
Ms. Dawson, are you recording?
Yes. Ethan.
When the line goes to the x, like the 0 on x.
The x-axis? Yes, it is. That's exactly it. But we're going to refer to it as a point. So the point where a line crosses the x-axis. What about a y-intercept? Anyone tell me the definition of a y-intercept? Yeah.
Isn't it where the point goes through the y-intercept?
You mean the
Yeah.
the axis? Yes. Again, the point where the line crosses the y-axis. I do not have the book out. Okay, we're going to be looking at a graph from the textbook. Any of you have trouble seeing that want a paper copy of the graph that we're going to be looking at?
Instead of looking it up here, do you want to look at it in front of you? It's in this. Thank you.
Getting closer. Yeah, sticky these to cover up the answers.
You need sticky notes?
Yeah. Thank you. Forgot that the answers were right below the graph. Don't want to give it away. Okay. We're going to look at this graph first. Okay. Can somebody tell me one of the intercepts? Dane?
Off -12.
Yes. But it is a point, so how would we say it as a point? It'll actually be the other way around. So do you...
0, 12.
It'll be 0, -12. And this is because if you remember, points are x and then y. So if you look the x is at 0 when it hits that negative 12. So it's 0 and then the negative 12. Didn't you want to get a prize for that? Okay, there's 2 more. Next person who tells me one has to give me both of them. Okay. Since there's way more than you this time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four.
There's 2 x-intercepts. The positive one is 3, and then the negative one is -4.
Can you say them as points, please?
3, 0, and then -4, 0.
Yes, perfect. Thank you. Didn't want to pop back and forth, but now we're gonna write that one down. Make sure you redid this. Yes. You said the points 3, 0, and -4, 0 for the x, and the y-intercept apologize, talking and writing is not my forte, as you've all noticed in the past. And this one is 0, -12, as Dayton said. Now we're going to look at one more graph, and I want you to discuss with your partner what the x and y intercepts for that graph will be and what they mean. I say that because this one is a story problem, so there is context, meaning there's a situation that you have to relate the answers back to. So looking at this graph, I want you to discuss with your partner the x and y intercepts and their meaning. So discuss.
Can't you zoom in a little? Yeah, answers there too.
Is everybody feeling pretty confident in their answer?
You guys need a little bit longer, or you okay?
A little bit longer?
So when
Remember to write your x and y intercept in point form. Now you guys feel like you can answer? Okay, raise your hand if you and your partner can explain the x and y intercept and what they mean. For a prize.